We all know that education is the combination of knowledge and skills, and BPS Ajmer believes in the overall development of the students, and this is the reason why we conduct a number of activities in the school. We have swimming, shooting, horse riding, skating, and various other activities like badminton, football, cricket, basketball, etc. And not only the students are exposed to these activities, but also they are winning laurels at the district, state, national and international levels, continuously. Like recently also we have won a number of laurels and medals in various activities conducted at these levels. And also we have the swimming activity. Our students have won various medals at the inter-school level, and of course students are very much interested in swimming and other activities. And swimming is a 12-month swimming pool we have, that is with the autothermal system for 12 months. And this is also the achievement of Delhi Public School Ajmer. Besides, we also conduct the sports scholastic activities also, like Olympiads and debate competitions, where the students are going outside and exhibiting their talents and potentials if they are good orators. And also we are conducting experiential teaching in all the classes, right from pre-primary to class 12, catering to the needs and the requirements of the students. We are also conducting the classroom experiments, and we have scientific instruments and experiments which are customized to the needs and requirements of the pre-primary and the primary students, and at the middle wing level, and in 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, that is the senior wing, the students are going to the laboratories like physics, chemistry and biology laboratories, and they are conducting the experiential teaching, because it is always an application-based teaching for the development of the concepts, because it is very, very difficult to retain the concepts with the mugging up method. So we discourage that and we complete the curriculum with the help of the experiential teaching methods. We also conduct the remediation and the remedial classes for the students as well. The students who are not performing well in maths and science and the other subjects, they are not able to cope up well. We are conducting the remedial classes, as well as we are conducting the stay backs also for them, so that their retention is better and they are able to bring good grades and their concept is cleared. This always we are discouraging the rote learning method and always encouraging the public speaking and the expression of thoughts, opinions and feelings of the students through various methodologies. So this is what the success of Delhi Public School Ajmer, and we'll keep working hard on this. Thank you.
Namaste, myself Pooja Arora. Let me take you to have a glimpses of BPS. BPS believes in unique and engaging learning for each and every student. Here we focus on the development of each and every student, and this progress is assessed by various exams. We follow CBSE approved examination pattern, where we have 2 periodical examinations conducted at regular intervals during the academic year. After the periodical examinations, we have one half-yearly examination which comes at mid of the academic year and marks the end of the semester 1, and final exams which come at the end of the academic year. Apart from this, we use variety of methods to evaluate students' progress. Each and every classroom is equipped with smart boards, which helps teachers to customize their lessons, as well as teachers can provide online content and multimedia elements to students. Not only this, we take historical visits. We have field trips. We take students to nature reserves. Time to time, we have speaker guests in our school and industry experts to share their real-world experiences. We have role plays, simulation exercises, and many more. so that students can grasp their content, their study material for the life. BPS believes in nurturing young mind, promoting critical thinking, and preparing students for their bright future. Regarding this, our school conducts different Olympiad exams on time to time. These Olympiad exams include Hindi, English, French, Science, Social Science, Mathematics, General Knowledge, Commerce, and many more. These Olympiad exams help students to go beyond textbooks, to think out of the box, to get all over knowledge, and to foster love for learning. And some Olympiads are of international level, which allow students to compete at global level. So these are very important for the growth, and these Olympiad exams prepare students for coming future further competitive exams. Our school is equipped with a range of laboratories, including mathematics lab, science lab, geography lab, computer lab, art lab, language lab. These laboratories are very important for enhancing students' critical thinking, practical learning, and exploring various subjects. BPS has science lab. First, we have different labs for chemistry, physics, and biology, and these laboratories are equipped with latest technology and tools, where students learn from hands-on activities. They explore, they experiment, and they get the deep knowledge of their subject. In the computer laboratory, students have access to smart computers, latest softwares, where they learn digital skills, information technology, machine language. They prepare themselves for the coming digital age. In fact, we are living in a digital era where computer is the most important thing. Here from grade 1 to grade 12, in fact pre-primary to 12, each and every student gets a chance to sit on the computer and do the practicals. The language laboratory is dedicated to enhance students' language. This lab helps in polishing their language. We focus on reading, writing, listening, and speaking skills. In this laboratory, we have audio-visual aids, latest learning software, which helps students to polish his or her language. Our mathematical laboratory is a place to learn maths through exploration and interactive way. Our math lab is equipped with many mathematical gadgets, charts, shapes, and many more things to learn and to make maths easy and interesting for students. Geographical laboratory is equipped with globes, maps, charts, and many tools which help students to understand Earth's physical and human landscapes and make geography and environmental studies easy and interesting for them. The Art and Craft Laboratory. Art and Craft Room is a place which helps students to explore their creative talent. They get themselves out through drawing, craft, painting, sculpture, etc. This is a place where students enjoy a lot and they indulge and involve themselves in various artistic activities. These laboratories of our school create a dynamic learning environment where students learn through hands-on activities, where they explore, experiment, and get the wide knowledge. These laboratories in our school cater to a wide range of subjects, help students to learn in an interesting way and creates a dynamic learning environment where students experiment, explore and learn.